How to remove your email account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your email account from another phone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So basically, if you want to remove your email account from another phone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all understand which email service it is, because Gmail's process is different, Yahoo Mail process is also different, Hotmail, iCloud, all of the depending upon the which email that you use, the process to log out from this is different. So I'm taking Gmail as an example because Gmail is the most popular one. So you open up your Gmail or email application, tap the profile icon from the top right, and since this is my Gmail account, I'll tap on manage your Google because Gmail comes from Google account. From there, you want to simply navigate to the security tab that you can find over here. Then once you tap on the security tab, scroll down here, you'll find this little option that says your devices. So tap on manage all devices button, and here you will see a list of devices currently logged into your email or my Gmail account. Then tap on that particular device that you don't recognize, then tap on sign out and choose to sign out. Now remember, this process is different, as I said, if you're using Yahoo Mail or AOL Mail or any of the other mails that you prefer. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.